Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this one's a little different. It's not necessarily like hair color, but it kind of is in a way. I've been getting lots of requests from people asking me if I would be willing to try a colored conditioner to see if it would work and how, for like the in-between like hair colors where it's starting to fade, but you still want your hair to be vibrant before you have to recolor it and all of that. And I was like, okay, I've always wanted to try one. I've seen a few people do it, and then this ad on Instagram just kept popping up. And I know like one of the influencers I follow has used this brand. So I was like, okay, well, I'm going to try it. So I got this brand Glaze, and it's a semi-permanent color conditioning gloss. And this is in the shade Lustrous Ebony. So it's a blue-black. And I was asked by like quite a few people to try one. They never gave me a specific brand, but I decided I'll try this because at the time they had like a huge discount going on. So like I was able to get this and like a microfiber towel, hair towel for like $30. And I was like, of course, score. So I used pretty much this whole entire bottle. I mean, there's still some in here, but not enough to do like my whole entire head. And it says for this, it's a semi-permanent vibrant hair color and high shine gloss for a multi-dimensional tone, whether your hair is color treated or not. It's 95% agreed hair color that looks more vibrant. 96% agreed the color results would look natural. It's a mirror glazed shine, condition and care, no damage, no mix, no mess, and it develops in 10 minutes. So I decided to do this morning because I really needed to wash my hair, and I figured why not just slap this on my head, wait 10 minutes, and do my thing. So I did, and the one thing I can say about this is that my hair feels so soft, so amazing. My shine, I don't really think it really did much for shine wise. My hair is always shiny. The one thing I do have to say, it stains like crazy. So like it stains your tub, it stains your sink, anything it gets, it touches, it stains. Like my skin is stained, but it does not touch whites or grays. All my whites are there. So it really doesn't, I guess in my mind, I thought, okay, it's a semi-permanent conditioner that I thought it would at least like cover them and like hide them so that like, yes, I understand it's semi-permanent, it will wash out because it says it lasts up to 10 washes, excuse me. And I don't even think it I don't even think it stuck to my hair at all. Like I don't see any difference. My hair looks just the same. The only thing I noticed is the texture. It felt amazing after I washed it out. And when I put this on, it was like purple. But when I washed it out, it was like blue. But I don't think it really did anything to my hair at all. Like it looks exactly the same. It might have added like maybe a blue tint to the rest of it. It did not touch my roots. It definitely did not touch my whites at all, as you can tell. Like I want to say maybe next week I will color my hair. But I just kind of wanted to try this as like an in-between, like before I need to color my hair. Is this going to work? Is this going to be right for me? And I think I already told a few people when they've asked me, like, I don't think this product's gonna work for me. I have a lot of whites. That's what I want to cover. The whole point of, for me, is I want to cover my whites. I don't want them to just come back But if this could hide it for like a couple more weeks, I could push like my hair color to like not just once a month, but it could be like a month and a half. Like I could prolong having to color my hair so it's less damage. But obviously this does not cut it. And like this is kind of like an added bonus. You get the benefits of a hair mask, but you also get to like hide some of your whites and grays. So it would be like a a done deal if you're just kind of like, I'm not ready to color my hair yet. I need something just to hide it. You would think that this would be a great product to do kind of that. It might if you have like no whites, no grays. This is not going to work. I didn't think it would to begin with, but I was just like, you know what? I'm kind of curious myself. I've never used a product like this. I see them out on the market and they don't tell you that they cover grays. They're not going to tell you like yes or no. It's basically no. But I don't want to sit there and be like, don't try this because it doesn't cover your whites. But if you don't have whites or grays, go ahead. This product will probably be amazing. I do feel like it did make my hair feel super soft. Like I said, I don't see much of a difference because of my hair color. It doesn't seem, my hair color hasn't changed. It doesn't seem like it's any more vibrant. I do feel like I can see a little bit more blue, like in my mid-shift and ends and stuff, but like it's nothing. My hair looked like this before I colored it, so I didn't really notice a difference or a huge change, except my hair just feels really soft and really smooth, and it just makes me want to play with my hair even more. Like it just feels so clean. And yes, I did wash my hair, but it just feels like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like it just feels so soft and so good, and like I really like it. And it doesn't have a crappy smell or anything. It smells pretty good. This is what mine looked like. And this stains everything. Like this is purple, and I was just like, it's supposed to be blue black. My hands like are Smurf blue. Like you can't see, but like it's blue. But I don't really have anything bad to say about it, except it just does not cover your whites and grays. And if that's what you were hoping for, then this wasn't going to do it. I don't think any product like this will ever do it. If anything, you're just better off just coloring your hair. Or putting on some like root makeup to just hide it for the moment until you need to color your hair. But I didn't have hopes for it, but then when I saw how dark it was when I was putting it on my hair, I was like, oh, maybe it will. But then another thought was, well, maybe all my whites are going to turn like purple and not cover and be dark. And as soon as I washed it out, actually, as I was processing it, I just kept seeing them. Like I had my hair up in a hair clip and none of it was like, what's the word I'm looking for? Disappearing, I guess. It didn't develop in those areas. So I don't know, maybe because it's not really a hair color. It's more of like a conditioner glaze. Like it's more of a gloss than like a hair color. It's just supposed to like kind of give your hair like an extra vibrant boost before you have to like, before you need to color your hair. But it just doesn't work for people who have whites or grays. It's not gonna work. So yeah, I'm sorry. But I was going into this as, it doesn't hurt. Who doesn't want a little bit of extra like shine and gloss and, all of that? So it doesn't hurt to try it. So I I really didn't feel like this was a bad product. It just because it didn't work for me doesn't mean it's not going to work for somebody else. Like, I see Laura Lee, she does have grays and whites and stuff too, but I've never seen her complain about it. I think she just, you know, does it for the glaze. I don't think she uses it to actually like hide that. And she was the person that I saw use this, and then of course like I started getting ads on Instagram, and so I was influenced to buy this, and that's like the second time an ad has gotten me. But it didn't hurt to try. And like I said, I was asked if I could try like any of them. Like I could just pick whichever one I wanted. And this is the one I did pick. And it just, I mean, I'm going to use the rest of it. It's not, I'll probably just use it more for like after I wash my hair in the shower type of thing. Because it's, you could do it on wet hair or dry hair. I just did it on dry hair. And just to use it up, I'll just probably do it in the shower and you do it as like a hair mask. I mean, it's not gonna hurt just to give me a little extra shine. So anyways, yeah, so this one was a little different, and I just wanted to like give you guys my open, honest opinion on this. Like I said, it was a recommendation to try it and see what my thoughts were, if it worked, I didn't really think it would cover grays, but you know, I never tried them, so I don't know. And like I said, I'm in between that, like I need to color my hair soon, so I figure I might as well just try it and see if it does work, because if it does, then you know, I could always push my hair color longer. But yeah, so if there's any recommendations on any other hair colors, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely try my best to find it, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.